I'm gonna replace these door speakers. These kind of cheap Cerwin Vega two-way 6.5s, and hopefully they fit pretty well. Go there. Alright. Ooh, sticker. This box. We're not going to use. Simple speaker design. 300 watt max, 4 ohm. Alright, let's take the door apart. Again, pry these off. Clips, of course. Got this 4, and then that front one don't mess with, but it holds it in place. Alright. And then there's 2 screws. Longish. And then grab from anywhere. All the clips are going to be broken. Lock the door, take it off, and yep, all the clips are broken. So I'm gonna have to glue this panel as well. Probably all 4 panels. These guys. And the speaker. The speaker has the 3. Unplug it here. Alright, and then take these off. I'm going to pry the speaker off. Just glue around this whole thing. That. So if you try in these corners, it's the easiest. So I soldered these 2 wires. The white goes where the red was for positive, and black for negative, of course. And then screw the speaker on and plug her up. And then, of course, the white one, it has the bigger terminal, and black has the smaller little terminal there. Plug those in. All right. And then, since we still have the factory plug, it goes like that. Then get this lined up in here. 3 screws. There we go. Alright, this set is going in the front doors component. Woofer. Little crossovers and the tweeters. Alright, take the front door card off. I'm gonna pop these off. So there's a clip on the back side, and then there's a little hook holding the front. Like so. Hook, clip. Unplug this guy. Kind of a pain. Alright. And then there's a Phillips in here. So these ones slide forward, down latches. And it comes out like so. And then you see there's a little hook right here. Undo that. Comes up like so. A little latchy. So you got the rod still there. And then got 2 screws under here. 1. And then these 2 kind of plasticky clips like this. And then we can take this little corner piece off, just get that and pull out. It's got these little snappies. Alright, and then rip and grip, kinda. Walk down. So this one, it's a bunch of these things. This one actually doesn't, the glued ones also kind of don't hold well, so you'll probably have to re-glue those. And those all here. That's it. And we'll take speaker. Alright, and then we're gonna pry this thing off like the other ones and get it all set up. Alright, so I got the tweeter installed. You can see a little tear I made right there. So, in drilling, I went, I guess turning that way is how you normally cut through holes. Then I stopped as soon as I saw it ripping and started going reverse, where the back sides of the blades would hit and open it up, and it seemed to work better. And then that's how it's mounted on the back side. And this will go to the crossover. Another thing you should definitely buy is one of these sweet buckets of mini clips. When you take these panels off, you'll probably lose some of these or break them, and you just replace them and be good as new. Alright, tweeter in. So I mounted the crossover right here with the screw into this plastic plate, and then the factory plug that goes here cut off, and so that one's positive and that one's negative according to the red and black that were on the back side of this. And so I have the speaker wires, the black and white, on the back of this, run through this hole and blah blah blah, coming back here to the crossover, the positive negative, and then positive negative for the tweeter. And yeah, it's the cover, snap back on. It should fit in this crevice here, and we'll snap it back together, and it's all done. Panel back on. Tweeter wire here. Make sure I get this plug through this hole here. And that all lines up there. Okay. And we'll look at, make sure all these clips are lined up. Start snapping. Alright. There we go. And then we'll put the handle and rest back on. So this part, we're gonna get this rod. Kind of difficult, but not too bad. Snap it on. Like so. And then there. Alright. Little screw goes in there. Battery for the drill. The two long ones in the armrest part. This little guy. Snap. And these little guys in here. And window switch. first. The back lines up there. And it kind of snaps in. And that's it. On the other side I won't show, but it's the same process. Audio is all installed. Directional tweeter that you can move around. Pretty nice. And of course over there. And I can't really test or show you how much better it sounds, but you get the idea. And any speaker is better than the stock ones that came with this. So yeah, that's how you put speakers in the Prado. Alright, these are the stock speakers, 20 watts RMS. And so these new Cerwin Vegas, they're 35 RMS, which is not bad whenever you put it with the receiver that normally only puts out 20 RMS per channel. So works great without having to add an amp.